Minneapolis has a growing Somali population, more than 48,000 people, in fact, according to the last census estimate. And now, for the first time, a Somali American will help lead the city. Abdi Warsame was voted onto the city council in last night's election. Our Josh Rosenthal is here to explain what his win means now for the Somali community. Josh?
It was a late night of excitement, Ellen, so late that today Warsame is taking a day off. So he couldn't talk to us, but his supporters did, and they say election night 2013 is one they'll never forget. Walk into Doorashada grocery in Minneapolis. You'll see the signs and feel the excitement.
That was a very exciting night last night because we made it a history.
We were proud of him as a community and as East Africans.
They're talking about Abdi Warsame's big win. In a state with thousands of East Africans, Minneapolis now has its first Somali American city council member.
It's a small step. I don't want to exaggerate it, but it's a very important small step.
Ahmed Samatar is a professor of international studies at McAllister College in St. Paul. He also ran for president in Somalia in 2012. He says Warsame's victory is huge for Somali Americans.
They can actually participate in an electoral process which is very competitive and win.
My name is Abdi Warsame.
And he says it's a big win for Minnesotans who've created a context in which new citizens can participate in politics.
You can win here. And Abdi Warsame, I think, is a testament to that great American creed.
And it turns out Samatar isn't the only one thinking along those lines. Warsame hasn't even been sworn in yet, and these voters are already looking to the future.
Maybe next time you can see the state senator Somali community and the governor, and maybe you see more. And we are very happy to see it.
Professor Samatar said this will be an adjustment because in Somali politics, many politicians get elected, grab what they can, and leave. As for Warsame, he says he'll be talking about his plans for office in the next few days.